Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rosie here. So I am freezing. I'm wearing my friend's sweatshirt. House of Wells. What's up? What's up? Queen of Mine wearing my Queen of Hearts sweatshirt, trying to stay warm. You guys can follow him on Instagram as well. So I'm here to talk to you guys about my friend Christopher. Hey Chris. He sells Amway products, and so I'm trying to lose some weight, trying to get my life straight. So I told him I want to try some of your products. So he sells Amway products, and so his little bag says Body Key by Neutralite. So then you got Neutralite products, GNH, Satinique, and Amway Home. But I was really interested in the Neutralite products, and they also have Artistry. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. He just dropped it off on the porch, COVID safe, of course. And so the first thing that I got is the French Vanilla Naturally Flavored Meal Replacement Shake. So I got this big old jug. And if you guys want his info, y'all want to reach out to him, you guys could message me on my Instagram page, La Rosie Makeup Diva, and I can put you in contact with him, okay? So this is the Body Key by Neutralite French Vanilla Naturally Flavored Meal Replacement Shake. Ooh, I am so excited. I cannot wait to try that. Ooh, a little scooper thingy. And he also put me on to a couple of apps that'll help me out with my weight loss. He put me on to their points where, like, as you buy stuff, you can gain points and stuff. So another item that I bought is the Slimetry tablets. So they enhance weight loss. They're a dietary supplement. And so you take one tablet 2 times a day. So this jar brings 60 tablets. So I'm excited to try that. I tried Neutralite products a really long time ago. My dad had bought me one time, oh my God, probably like 10 years ago or more. He was still working in the city, and one of his co-workers was selling the products. And he bought me a ton of their vitamins. And let me tell you guys, they were amazing. So this is the little catalog with all the products inside. Oh my God, they even have makeup stuff, shakes. They have all kinds of healthy stuff, you guys, to get you back on track. Ooh, they even have face masks. Like, what? Oh my God. Oh my God, Chris, what are you doing to me? You know I love all this kinds of stuff. Wow, brighten your eyes, all kind of formulas. So yeah, so it's not just weight loss stuff and vitamins, you guys. They have at-home products too. Like, look, they even have laundry detergent. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. Fabric softener. Ooh, pre-wash spray. What? And it's green, organic. I see a little green leaf on there. Is it organic? I don't know. But we're going to have to do some more reading, some more research. And if you guys want some products, wow, I will definitely get you in contact with him. All right, so more of that later. I will check that out on my own time. I forgot y'all was there for a minute. Okay. Second baggie. Let's see what we have in here. So in here, I got the quick dissolving pods. This is 100% whey isolate. And it's the vanilla flavor. And it's 20 grams of protein. 0 fat and sugar, free of gluten, lactose, and soy. And it says it builds lean muscle, dietary supplement, 100% whey isolate. Ooh, I can't wait to try these, you guys. So you just drop one of these into your cup, your really cool shaky cup, and you just shake it up and you go. So I got this, but then I also got the other type of shake. So we're going to try both of those. Then he gave me a bunch of samples that I can't wait to try. He gave me an energy drink, a wild berry energy drink. Ooh, that looks really good. He gave me a sparkling electrolyte sparkling water in blackberry flavor. Ooh, that looks very interesting. All right, and he gave me a bunch of other samples, you guys. Let's see. What's this? CBD cream. Ooh, child. You know, I love me some CBD cream. Ooh. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. I love me some CBD cream. Full spectrum hemp extract. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, I'm going to find that in that catalog right there. Y'all know I love some CBD cream. Hold on, wait. I'm dropping stuff. Y'all know I'm always dropping everything. All right, what else he got me? Raise for Days Watermelon Orange Sunny Vitamin D Saffron Dietary Supplement. There's 2 gummies. Ooh, there's 2 gummies in there. Oh, I can't wait to try it. And this one is Elderberry Lemon Immunity Vitamin C Zinc Elderberry Dietary Supplement. There's 2 gummies. Oh, 2 more gummies, different flavor. And this one says less stress and more yes. Oh, yes, child. Wait, what does this one say? It says Go Shield for the elderberry lemon. This one says Raise 4 days for the watermelon orange. And the mango lemon says less stress, more yes. Okay. Relax, L-theanine, and lemon balm dietary supplements. There's 2 gummies in there. Oh, I can't wait to try those. Don't you guys love samples? Oh my god. Samples are the best. And then the last one says Sweet Dreams. Blueberry lavender, sleep, melatonin, and passion flower dietary supplement 2 gummies. Ooh, we all need some of that, right? Oh, I can't wait to try these gummies. They look so interesting. And he gave me some more samples. This one is a purifying body cleanser by Artistry Signature Select. Okay. So we have a body cleanser. And then he gave me a Artistry Signature Select Hydrating Body Gel. Ooh. And then the last thing he gave me a sample of is the Artistry Signature Select Polishing Body Scrub Exfoliant. Ooh. I definitely cannot wait. I'm so excited to try these, you guys. He just dropped everything off. And I think I'm going to go make myself one of these shakes. Because I have to continue to sit here and do some schoolwork. And so I think I will definitely make myself a shake. Alright, you guys. If you guys want to try some Amway products, definitely hit me up and I will get you in contact with my friend Chris. They have all kinds of toothpaste and oh my god, they have so much stuff. Alright, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I'll let you know how I like my new Nutrilite meal replacement shake. Looks good. I think I'm going to go make me one of these now. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.